The legend has evolved. The all-new Toyota LandCruiser 300 is the best LandCruiser yet. With new generation performance comes new generation safety, making the 300 series the safest LandCruiser to date. It comes with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of active safety features designed to help you recognise and avoid certain hazards and collisions. It gives you and your passengers greater peace of mind. So let's take a closer look. The LandCruiser 300's safety features include an impressive pre-collision safety system with pedestrian and daytime cyclist detection. Sensors located at the front here help the driver avoid frontal collisions. It also comes with the ever-handy active cruise control to help you keep a constant distance between you and the vehicle ahead. And let's not forget lane departure alert. This has been designed to help you avoid driving from out of your lane. With all this added safety tech, it's reassuring to know that your LandCruiser 300 is designed to help you avoid unexpected dangers on the road. And if things do go awry, the LandCruiser 300 is fitted with Toyota connected services, including SOS emergency call, automatic collision notification, and stolen vehicle tracking. Because we all know things don't always go to plan. To boot, the Toyota Genuine Accessories dash cam captures forward video and audio. It certainly sounds like everything is covered here to me. Whatever Australia throws at it, this LandCruiser drives us home. Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.